morning, ma. We are going to learn about human reproduction. This is the first lesson in your zoology. Human reproduction. Here see, every individual has to continue their race. Because of that, right now we are on a planet. Either plant or the animal or the microorganism should be produce their same kind of individuals, right? That process is called as a perpetuation of life. Perpetuation means continuation. Got it? Here the name itself only reproduction. I told you reproduction, produce again and again. Got it? Either it is sexual mode or the asexual mode. Sexual or asexual. Asexual mode or the sexual mode. Here, the organism should be undergoes the asexual mode, or else higher organisms will be undergoes the sexual mode, right? So anyhow, these two will be gives rise to the same kind of individuals. That process called as the reproduction, perpetuation of life or the race. For some, suppose example, if there is no mango seeds, mango not producing any seeds, means fruit, then what happened? Can you think of one more plant like that? No. If our forefathers not influenced our parents, then there is no question of us. If our parents not produce like their young ones, then there is no life on a completely life will be vanished from the earth planet. Right? That's the reason what's required now. Reproduction is one of the important life process. Reproduction is one of the important life process. For example, take respiration. If you stop breathing, you may die. But your family, your race, or the population won't be die. If you stop digestion process, finally what happened? You may die. But remaining people there no. Means which is from the more means reproduction is not there no, nothing will be there. See here sexual reproduction means what no? Here generally lower organisms, amoeba, paramecium, right? And euglena and yeast means what fungi and some algae. They undergoes the asexual mode, spore formation, or the binary fission, fragmentation. What is? Right. Regeneration process. All are the asexual mode. In the asexual mode, that parent and progeny identical. Exotic copy will come in the asexual mode. Here only one individuality participates. There is no formation of gametes. There is no formation of gametes. Single individual is required enough. But whereas the sexual mode, two organisms required or two sexes are required, gametes should be involved. Here is the one from mother, one from father. That chromosome recombination will be there, mixing will be there. That's why that parents and progeny, if you compare, then the parents, these are developed. You all are highly developed than your parent. You know how to use computer. Your parents may not be, some people. Got it? We are using all apps or games. The parents don't know. Moreover, we are sharing from the mother and father. That's the reason sexual reproduction is better than the highly advanced than the asexual reproduction. Am I right? You know, in the plants, how it happens? Asexual mode. That's the vegetative propagation. If you want one rose, for that can you sex for the seeds? No. If you want one hibiscus, do you want seeds? No. That stem have to take it out, cut it, and have to sow in the soil. It will give us a new hibiscus or new rose. Am I right? Means like the same banana also. They are suckers. Banana, there is no seeds, right? Got it? But sucker is there. On the plant base, sucker is there. If you take it out and keep in another place, they will grow as a banana. Seedless, there is nothing but there is no seeds. That's the vegetative propagation. Got it? Same rose flower, how it is their parent, same. If it continues same, when you go very different colors. That's the reason they have a different vegetative techniques there. Grafting, cutting, whatever. That's what hybrid technique like. And apart from that, have a sexual reproduction. Right? Now come to that art lesson is the human reproduction. Human are the sexually reproduced viviparous organisms. Right here see, humans are sexually reproduced viviparous organisms. Viviparous organisms means what is? Yeah, good. They produce young ones. They give birth to young ones. Right, Kirtana? They produce young ones. And opposite to the word is the oviparous. This is what?
Egg.
Not egg. Second means egg-laying organisms. Can you give example? Birds. They are eating egg and omelette. Why? Neglect that hen also. Okay? Maximum all birds. Okay? So here is the oviparous giving birth to young ones. Oviparous. Oviparous means what? They give birth to young one. Here is the egg. Oviparous means what now? Giving are the lay eggs. Here is the they give birth to young ones. Viviparous. We are all the viviparous. Okay? Are you hatched from egg? No. We are not hatched from the egg. Got it? We are born as a small baby. Got it? Small baby. That's the infant. Clear? So here, sexually reproduced viviparous human beings are. And here is the human beings, you know that sexual dimorphism is that male and female are different. Got it? Male individual is different, female individual is different. Male sex organs, female sex organs are very different. That's the reason this undergoes the sexual mode only it happens. Sexual mode only it happens. Got it? So here, humans are the highly evolved, you know, in the mammals, humans are the highly evolved organisms. So that's the reason that complete setup of male and female systems are designed like they pre-designed because of, you know, male role is to send the sperm to the female body. That's it. Rest of development, everything will be takes place in the mother's womb. Got it? Here is, I told you know here, male individual and female individuals. Male and female. Male can produce the gametes. We know that it is a sperm cell. What do you call them? Male gamete and female gamete. Male gamete and female gamete. Male gamete, which is the sperm cell. Female gamete, which is ova or egg. These two will be body. Got it? So here, where this process called as a fertilization. What do you call ma? Fertilization. So here, fertilization takes place where it is
Female.
means inside of the female or outside of the female body.
Inside of
Good. That's the reason called as the internal fertilization. What do you call ma?
Internal.
This fertilization is called as internal fertilization. What is internal fertilization? Can you give an example of where the fertilization takes place outside the body? Good, very good. Frog and internal fertilization. Human beings. Well, good example. Moreover, the sperm cell released into the media, outer media, which is the water. Whatever it is, they two fuse in the outside of the both male and female. That is called as the external fertilization. Frog, fish, mostly aquatic organisms. Okay? Female lays the eggs, male lays the sperm cells. They somewhere they will come and fuse in the water. They as a small offspring. Here is the thing, which is the perfectly fertilization takes place, whether internal or external.
Internal.
Because of external fertilization is, we can't say exactly it may happen, may not be happen. That's the reason they need more eggs and more sperm cells. Which one? External fertilization. Why? Mating of chances are very less. That's the reason if there is number of sperm and ovum release and out of few of them will be fused. Am I right? For example, only one sperm cell, one egg released into the water. As a chance, 0% probability to fertilization. But in the woman, number of sperm cells will be released because of sperm cells are going to enter into the other's body. Got it? That's the reason more sperm cells required. Some may die, some may killed by the leukocytes. That's the reason finally one will be released. But egg is one only. Okay? Egg only one will be released. Got it? Because of what now? That's already safely there in the mother's system. Got it? Now here see, when this fertilization takes place now, internal fertilization, land zygote going to develop into embryo develop into fetus fully developed fetus, ready to step on earth as a newborn baby. Got it? So here, these all process takes place now. They have a under heading reproductive events. What do you call them? Reproductive events. Reproductive events are the first event is the gametogenesis. This is a very important event in human reproductive event or events. First one, gametogenesis, GIF. Gametogenesis, insemination, fertilization. Gametogenesis means what?
Formation of gametes.
Yeah, the process of formation of gametes called as the gametogenesis. Insemination, the gametes are released for what purpose? They should be reached into the female body. First now, insemination means what the gametes are formed in the male that should be reached in the female body. That's insemination. After insemination, what the purpose of that? To reach the ova. To reach the ova. Fertilization. After fertilization, that should be embedded into the mother's womb. Uterus. That's the implantation. Implantation. After implantation,
Gestation.
its start first, second, third till 9. That's what gestation period. Gestation period. What is? After gestation, it should be delivered, ready to deliver. What is? Here is the gametogenesis. What is that? Gametogenesis. And
Insemination.
insemination. Next, fertilization. Next,
Implantation.
implantation. Here is the
Gestation.
gestation, parturition. After birth, you can't able to eat chicken biryani or the noodles. We need mother milk. That's the lactation. What do you need? Milk. Mother milk. That's the lactation. If IDPL, this order should be remembered. What is the code here? We know. If GIF, if IGPL, this is the order of reproductive events, proper order. If you miss no, they will give the arrow. Option A, gametogenesis, fertilization, insemination, and gestation, like that. Wrong. Choose the correct flow chart or choose the correct order. GIF, IGPL. GIF, IGPL. Here is the gametogenesis, insemination. Don't know gametogenesis is what? The process of formation of gametes. Male gametes we call as the spermatogenesis. Process of formation of male gametes called as the spermatogenesis. The process of formation of female gamete called as the oogenesis. Simple word, oogenesis. Genesis means
Formation.
formation of the production. Glyconeogenesis, genesis. Correct? Like that, here is the genesis means production and the formation. Male and female gametes will be produced in the process of gametogenesis. This is the major event in the male. In the male, spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis takes place. What's method? Spermatogenesis means formation of, means the process of formation of sperm cells. The process of formation of sperm cells. Oogenesis means the process of formation of ova. Right, Sridhar? Got it up? So this will happens at the age of, in the male, 12 to 14 years. It's the puberty. At the puberty age, that testes start producing the sperm cells. Where they will come from the testis. E is the plural. If you write I singular, testis. R, one is the testis. Correct? One pair there, that's why using the E. These at the puberty level start producing gametes, male gametes called as sperms. That process called as spermatogenesis. What is that? Spermatogenesis. What is my clear now? In the same way, it's a 12 to 14 years. Till death. The process won't be stopped. Once stop 12 to 14 years now, till death. If you die 90 years now, at the time of 100 years now, and up to 100 years. Till death, this process will be happening. In the male. Got it? In the female, which is the ovaries. Ovaries, you have one pair of female have one pair of ovaries. That's why ovaries, they produce the ova called as the oogenesis. Oogenesis. Two eggs are there. What now? oogenesis. The process of formation of ova from ovary called as the oogenesis. Now, this will be start fetal life of the female individual. Fetal life, when we are in the mother's womb, when the girl child was in the mother's womb, right? There only starts the production of follicles. They mature, the follicles will mature 12 to 14, that's also puberty. That first maturity, matured egg released, that is called as a maturation. That's called as a menarche. Menarche. Okay, menarche size, first maturation. It was started in the fetal life of the girl child, but release of the ova, ovulation takes place in the 12 to 14 puberty, that's the menarche. Till it will be continue 50 years, that is the menopause, not like a man till death. Here is a 45 to 50 years, it will be continued, that it will be ceases. Ceasing of menstruation called as a menopause. Fast, stop. There is no chance of resume, only fast. Correct? It is pausing, that is called as the menopause. 50 or the 45 to 50 years, that women up to 14 to 12 years to 50 years. How many years there? How many years women can produce eggs? How many years? 50 minus 40. 36 years. Average 36 years. Women can release the ovaries. Per month one. Total life, how many ovaries can release by the woman? Per month one. Here is the 36 years. 36 into 12. Am I right? Vaishnav, 36 into 12. How much? 4? Is good at maths. 400? Right up? 2 6 12. 4 3 huh? 6 right up? How do you get it? 4 32. Total is the 432x in the total lifespan of the means not lifespan up to reproductive or the fertile phase. Fertile phase 400 above x will be released. Every month, every menstruation 1 egg. Every menstruation 1 egg. Got it? Like that, nearly 400 will be released by the one fertile woman. Got it? So here this process called as the gametogenesis. What is the process, ma? Gametogenesis. The gametogenesis have a mitosis divisions, meiosis divisions which takes place. Finally, you know that we are all are the how many chromosomes does it have? 23 pairs are the 46 chromosome numbers, right? Which is in the 23 pairs 2n. There is a sperm cell of a gamete. Gamete have a n haploid. Sperm cell have a n number chromosome. Ova have a n number chromosome. N plus 1, n 2n. 2n of zygote. 2n of zygote is formed. Got it? 2n. The zygote is 2n means fetus of 2n. Fetus is 2n means newborn child is 2n. That reduction takes place during gamete formation. During gamete formation. It is clear, no? So here come to the insemination. This is the only overall idea only. Because of what now have to go one each deep like that. This is the concept here first. Insemination. Insemination means what? Transfer of the male gametes into the female body. Right? The simple thing, transfer of where they produce, in the tissue they produce. The production of gametes called as the gametes. They should be conduct to the female body. That's simple. That's up to there only. Male role is development. Female only. That's why mother is always great. Got it? Here is the see these two events. In the two events also, this happens in the mother and father also. No greatness of father. Here is the insemination takes place from the male to the female. After that there is no role in the land development. Got it? Now, when the sperm cell enter into the male female body from the male, right? Then that should be reached to the ova. Then what happens? Fertilization takes place. Fusion of male and female gap is called as
Fertilization.
After fertilization,
Implantation.
zygote have to come and somewhere have to fix. Why is fixing? For the development purpose. They fix into the uterine box. That's implantation, embedding. Simply what my implantation? Embedding of the embryo into the uterine box called as implantation. After implantation, no?
Yes.
First month, second month, third month,
9 months.
the complete developmental stages till birth, that is the gestation, all takes place in our mother's womb. This all events take place where? The mother's womb. Next, fully developed. Then the fetus, mommy, I want to go out. Release me. Then what happens? Parturition takes place. Parturition means childbirth. Childbirth. The fetus will give the signal to the brain. I want to see the world. Please push out, push out. Then that childbirth takes place. Childbirth. Parturition is what? Childbirth. After childbirth, mother won't be see. These mean all stages. Mother will be different complications. Even after delivery, my load is finished. Like that, mother won't feel. Till you get the some solid food, mother will do the food. As a milk, that's a lactation. That's what ma? Lactation. Feeding stage. After that, 1 year or 6 months, they should be feed. And whole blood. Milk is what ma? That's the plant malnutrition only. Mother keep on feeding means mother become weak. But even though she has to support your life. That's the see. Simple. This is enough for mother is great. But it female is great. Whatever it is. These all events, during these events, hormone imbalance happens. Mother want to take food, vomiting will happen. What if she can't able to take food? Labor pains during parturition, full pains, she can't tolerate. Even though she tolerate and to the birth to animals. Right? These are the events. We'll discuss remaining things later. Right?